We'll guide you through how to make a Minecraft server in 1.21.4 for free. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. With a Minecraft server, you can go and start a world and have other people go and join, and you can go and build a community. So to go and get started, what we can do is come and quit out of Minecraft like so. You can go and leave it minimized if you want to. Now, what we need to do is go and open up our web browser like so, and you want to go and type in Minecraft server download like this, and come to this top result by Minecraft themselves. So what we can do is go and download the server and run and host it on our computer. So for the server to be online, you'll have to have your computer running, which isn't always ideal. So check out our sponsor, Apex Hosting. You can have your server running 24/7 and have 24/7 live chat assistance as well, with many other features. And at the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. So click on the link in the pinned comment and the description to get here. And there are loads of other benefits as well, like instant setup when you go and purchase it, ultra latency, keeping your server smooth, a powerful panel, automated backups, and much more as well. So check them out if you need a server. But to continue, we can go and click on download here. The server file is going to go and download. Come out of your browser and go and open up your file explorer and come to your downloads. Right click on some blank space on your desktop, hover over new and click folder. You can now go and name this. I've just named it server like so. And you want to go and drag and drop server.jar into it like this, and you can then go and open it up. Now what you can do is go and run this file, so go and double click on it. If nothing happens when you do that, or maybe something else goes and opens up, this is because you don't have Java installed. So what you need to do is go and open up a web browser, head to java.com. Here you can click on download Java for desktops, and you can click download. Download it and install it. Come back to server.jar and right click on it, hover over open with and select choose another app. Select Java and click always, and then it should go and work hopefully. If it still doesn't, then you need to come back to the Java website and you need to go down to developer downloads. And what we need to do is scroll down. Now personally, I go and use JDK21 and then we can select Windows. And so you can then download it and install it. This can go and solve the problem potentially. So once you've installed it, come back to it and try running it. After you've ran it and these files and folders have been generated, double click on euler.txt like so. What you need to do is go and read and agree to the agreement here. I've already read it, so you can copy and paste that into a web browser, and you can then change false to true. And you can press file and press save. Now what you can do is go and run server.jar again, and it will go and continue with the process. Now it should go and run like so. So this is the server application here. You can now see it's running. If you want to go and change any of the settings though, we can go and close it. Go and find server.properties, right click, and you can hover over open with and select notepad. Now you can go through here and make edits. For example, you could go and change the game mode to creative. And there are other things you can go and adjust as well. So after you've gone and made your adjustments, press file and press save, and you can then go and launch the server again. Now to go and join it, you can come into Minecraft and click on multiplayer. What you can do is click on add server, click on server address. For you to go and join it, you just need to go and type in localhost like so, as you're hosting it yourself. Press done and it will appear here, and you can press join server and you can go and connect to it. Here we are. If I go and open up our server here, we can go and see I've now joined. So that's it. Now you may be wondering, how can other people go and join? You've got a few options here. The main one being port forwarding. So you can go and set up port forwarding, which is basically in your router, and then other people can go and join your server with your IP address. We've also got another video we've made before of an application you can go and use to go and let other people go and join your server without having to go and port forward yourself. So that's another option as well. But that's it. If you want to go and make your own Minecraft server for Apex, go and check out the link down below.